Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna be show you guys how to turn off a specify automatically save option in WhatsApp chat. So yeah guys, let's just start today's video. So it's a guide for the turn off the media uploads and photos in a specific chat. So you can open your WhatsApp and open the chat to turn off the media upload or images like this, and tap on those chats and scroll down, and you can in the find profile, and here you can see save photos or default option, and you can tap on it, and there is a three option: default or never or always. So I want to turn off, so I want just tap on never and default off. You can tap on both is a similar option, and if you want to turn on it, so tap on always. So yeah guys, this is how you can do it. If this video was helpful for you, please do like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content and update like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.